So, hello guys, this is Vinita Kumar and watching me on India.com and Bollywood Live. Today, I am with me somebody who has actually won our hearts with the scam. So, I have Pratik Gandhi with me with his new web series, Vithal 3D. Pratik, am I pronouncing it right? Vithal 3D, right?
Yes, it is. With healthy. Yes,
Yes.
it
So,
is
who
with
are
healthy.
you as Vithal 3D in the web series, and what new are you bringing to the table now?
So I'm playing the character of Vitthal.
Right.
Uh, and why Vitthal Tiri is, I guess, it is already known in the trailer also. We have given a little glimpse
Right.
in the trailer
Huh.
that why is he named Vitthal Tiri. So, you know, the game of cards, right? The playing cards.
Right.
Where Ikko Dudi Tiri is how you pronounce in Gujarati.
Yeah.
And Vitthal, his father is a very good card player. And Vitthal picks it up at a very early age. And
Right.
for his introduction to the numbers is the card games. And that's how he says in the class that it's TD. When teacher
Right.
writes and teacher says that which number is this, and he just pronounces it TD. And that's how
Right.
he's named Vitthal TD.
Right. So you're playing the player again, Pratik.
Yeah, playing the player again after scam. Yes.
Do you want to be in that position in a situation where you get to know that people are actually excited to see you first and your film or your project later? That they want to see you. They are coming to theaters to see you and not your film maybe. How would you
That's a
react
very
to that
difficult
situation?
and a different situation. I mean, it's a very interesting question.
Yeah.
Never thought about it though. But I think see one thing for sure is what I wish for myself
Huh.
that whenever people see me in any of the character,
Hmm.
I don't want them to have a preoccupied mindset. That
Okay.
if Pratik is there, he'll do like this. You know,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Basically
I rather want to have.
typecast नहीं होना है.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to typecast myself in their
Huh.
eyes, in the eyes of my
Right.
audience,
Right.
because if they feel that I have something to surprise them every time, then that's the best place for me to be in,
Mm-hmm.
so that I
Mm-hmm.
can experiment. And I
Right.
guess we are in the field of experiments.
Uh-huh.
Unless we experiment with characters, emotions, the way we
Right.
tell our stories, it won't work for a longer time.
Right. Right. But do you want to be in that position where people are say coming to see you first? Do you want to be in that position?
I don't know, man. I mean, if that gets me a good audience for any film or theater that I do, why not?
Okay. 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 So, Pratik, next question would be, that you have got your, fandom increased after scam. That is pretty evident. How do you plan to use this recognition to bring about a change in the Gujarati film industry? Like, how do you plan to use your popularity to provide better voice to the stories that are coming from Gujarati industry?
So I guess, see, I'll tell you to answer this. First, one one thing that I want to admit is that I don't take myself so seriously.
Why?
First one.
You should.
Yeah, I don't know. I know. Yeah, why? Because I don't want to take that extra burden where I define myself in one particular way of thinking, and I close my doors of experience.
Hmm.
So having said, if that is the power which I have right now, or if that is something that I can drive, then I would rather want to drive it in a way that I want to push the boundaries of experiments
Okay.
in regional cinema.
Huh.
Because regional cinema per se largely is perceived in one particular bracket. Like
Right.
for
Right.
instance, if I talk about Gujarati, then Gujaratis largely are presumed to like only comedy scripts.
Oh yeah, I mean those are the stereotypes that are attached.
These are
With
stereotypes
Yeah, yeah,
which I want to change, because there is an audience for everything, and this is the
right,
only audience. I mean, this is the same audience that consumes the best of the content from across the world. So why not in their own language? Why
right.
not in my own language? And I
Right.
guess now, if that is the power that I have right now, as you're saying, I
Huh.
want to use that power to bring about this change, push the boundaries,
To break the
do even
stereotypes.
bigger experiments.
Yeah,
Yeah, do
yeah.
even bigger experiments.
Huh, huh. So, Pratik, do you see stereotypes also in the mainstream Hindi cinema when it comes to, say, portraying Gujarati characters and talking about Gujarat and all the stories that are coming from Gujarat? You see that?
I guess, yeah, yes.
Huh?
I have seen that in a lot of films. Any particular language or any particular ethnicity people are
Right.
portrayed in one particular way.
Absolutely.
and they make it more caricaturation. So like
Right.
if there is any Punjabi coming on the screen, then there has to be a background music called Hurrah. I mean,
Yeah.
no need, right?
Right. Balle balle and hurrah. Yeah. Yeah.
Balle balle and Hurrah is the only
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
ओए कुड़ी अस्सी तुस्सी मैनू देखिया मतलब this is not Punjabi. Punjabi is
Right.
much more beyond this. Similarly for Gujarati, वो तो है ना हम मेरे में तो ऐसा है कि होल में स्नेक रखा है. Nobody talks like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody talks like that. You see the urban Gujaratis, you see the people, those who are working in
Yeah.
almost all the fields, and they will
Right.
agree with me. So
Right.
I guess breaking the stereotype
Right.
is the requirement of the hour. And,
Mhm.
and as far as the mainstream is concerned, because I guess they have their own limitations to address to the larger audience, larger Indian audience.
Yeah. But why to put people in a certain box, right? Why to stereotype them?
Yeah, there is no need to do that.
Yeah, there's no need to do that.
And
Absolutely.
it's no
Not
more even
today.
funny. See, I can understand if that creates any humor
Humor.
or it adds any value to the script, but
Yeah.
it's no more doing that also.
But it
And
doesn't.
why to
Yeah.
do that?
Yeah. And especially
Yeah,
today, Pratik, when you have access to everything, when you can actually talk to people across, the world, then you
yeah.
don't need these stereotypes. Absolutely.
Then
Absolutely.
suddenly it sounds jarring.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So Pratik, a fun question to you. All of my audience wanted to know this, that, do you wake up some morning and, do you realize that you're a star? You look at yourself in the mirror in a filmy way and say, ki Pratik, kar diya ab. So, you're very popular. Fans love
Yeah,
you.
I'm not. So I'm not being modest here, but seriously saying, I've never done that. I never felt that.
Okay.
And I guess I spend least amount of time in front of the mirror. Though.
Okay.
And before sitting for this interview, also I was struggling with. यार ये सेट हो जाए तो बैठ जाऊँ. मतलब this is the last thing that I would do.
ओके तो ऐसा कौन सा बेंचमार्क होगा प्रतीक आपके करियर में व्हेन you'll go and you'll talk to yourself and say कि you worked really hard all these years and now you have got this. I'm like telling yourself that you're proud of yourself. वो कब होगा, like वो benchmark क्या है?
Yeah, so see, for that matter, I felt that sense of pride. I felt that sense of accomplishment after Scan, because that put me on a national and international platform.
Right.
And I got a tremendous recognition from across the world.
Right.
Right from the stalwarts of the industry to
Uh-huh.
the common audience and everyone.
Right.
So that gave me a lot of sense of accomplishment. कि हाँ मतलब इतने साल जो किया वो यार it was all worth. And I was so see it gave me that confidence that I was moving in the right direction. I'm on the right path. But in our field, in our industry, each and every project is a challenge. So it's like I cannot cherish my result of 12th standard throughout my life. I'll have to perform
Yeah.
every year.
Such a nice way to put
that
it.
yeah. यार 12th में तो 80% आ गया था मतलब that doesn't mean that you will do anything great.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That is nice. Yeah. So Pratik, I wanted to know that is there a limit? Is there a boundary, a restriction where you have decide to limit yourself? Like this is a role, this is a project that no matter whatever happens, wherever I am in life, whosoever is offering this to me, I will not do it.
No, nothing as such. Yeah, nothing as such that way.
Okay.
Nothing as such that this kind of characters that I won't do. I'm open for experiments. I'm an actor and my job is to create those characters. That's it.
Okay, so will we ever get to say, or I don't know if you have been offered, and I'm really sure that you must have been offered these kind of roles where you have to, just appear like a stud and, just have those six-pack abs and just do all these masala movies. Have you been offered such roles?
Not yet. I haven't been offered this yet, but I'm sure this needs another level of so yeah, I mean if at all something like this is offered to me, I'll have to prepare a lot for this.
So why do you fear that?
No, I don't fear it. It's just that because it needs a different level of conviction to do that, I mean singing those songs and then dancing and all. Though I had done a very close to this or some bit of this in Gujarati films earlier,
हाँ.
But yeah, mainstream में अभी तक तो कुछ ऐसा आया नहीं है, आएगा तो definitely करेंगे यार.
So nice, Prateek. Okay, and Prateek, your last question, and I cannot just let you go away without answering this. You were compared to Mr. Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, for his performance in The Big Bull. You know that. Have you made your
Yeah.
peace with the fact that such comparisons and appreciation or criticism will come your way, and this is all the part and parcel of the game? And also, did you get any chance to talk to Abhishek in the past or anything?
Never ever. I
Yeah.
mean, we got on Twitter once or twice that we just exchanged one or two tweets,
Hmm.
and that's all about it. We have never spoken to each other.
Okay.
And as far as the comparison is concerned, so I guess they see. I personally feel that no individuals can be compared to each other because we are individuals. We are not products.
Right.
अगर आप दो क्रीम बिस्किट्स खाते तो बताते कि इसका क्रीम ज्यादा अच्छा है, इसका क्रीम ज्यादा बुरा है, इससे गले में खराश आई, इसमें टेस्ट है. बट हाउ डू यू कंपेयर टू इंडिविजुअल्स ऑन द सेम थिंग?
Yeah.
So that's my personal opinion, but I'm sure that audience, those who see two people playing similar characters, they would compare for sure,
Mm-hmm.
which you can't stop.
Mm-hmm.
But I had never thought in my life, I mean, in my wildest dream, that I'll be compared to somebody like Abhishek Bachchan ever.
Mm-hmm.
वो मैंने तो कभी भी नहीं. In fact, we started shooting Scam, and after around 3 weeks, Big Bull got announced that they
Yeah.
also started shooting.
Okay, yeah, because I tell you what happened, Prateek. The Big Bull was announced like like a big project. While the Scam, it was a surprise package altogether. So the Scam
Yeah.
wasn't that big when it began. It became big because like how it became big. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that. But were you expecting the comparison? You were expecting it, right?
Never ever. I had never thought about it, the comparison.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
I never thought that this will be. I was sure that two prepared because it's story. I mean, the basic storyline is same. It's about that stock market and that world and the financial scam of India.
Right.
But I never thought that these two individuals will be compared.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Good. Nice you put it. Okay, Prateek. So before you leave, tell me something. Any female actor you want yourself to be paired with on screen?
Oh, there are so many. Yaar. I haven't worked with anyone yet. I'm just begun.
Okay, so
I'm
the
waiting for
moment I asked
those lot
this
of things.
question, which was the name that actually flashed in front of your eyes? Which was
Oh, I
the
would like to work with Konkana Singh.
Konkana. Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah. Alia Bhatt.
yeah. Uh-huh. Right.
Yeah. Tapsi was also in the list, and I'm working with Tapsi by the end of this year. So yeah,
Right. Oh, that's so nice.
excited for that.
Such a nice chat, Prateek. Thank you for talking to me and thank you for answering our questions. I wish you the best for Vithal TD and I hope to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.